sir. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see right there, or as you guys seen the title and the thumbnail, yes, I am at Ark Performance. Let me get a clear shot of that right there. You guys can see that. So I'm actually picking up my kiastingergt GT's downpipes today. So I'm like happy as hell. So I had my boy SoCal Stinger. I remember I spoke with him a while back. He told me that I believe if you come pick them up here, I believe they install them for you, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna either call them. I'm gonna call them right now because they just emailed me yesterday and they told me that no, they actually called me yesterday and they told me, like, is this Daniel? And I was like, yeah, this is him. He's and the guy that I spoke to, he was like, so first of all, I want to go ahead and apologize to you because we're running late on your order pretty much. It was only about 3 days. I thought we were gonna take like maybe a week. So I mean, I wasn't really tripping, but he was like, oh, you got 3 options. You can either receive it on Monday or Tuesday if you want, because you know that's how backed up it is, or we can go ahead and either send it to you on a Saturday plus a $30 gift card of you know, obviously money, and you can go ahead and spend it on any other Ark Performance item that you like. And I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. But I mean, and then he's like, and the third one is you could either come over here and pick it up. And I was like, look, man, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up because I don't want to like have you guys, you know, more backed up. So I'd rather just go pick it up. He's like, hey, man, I appreciate it. Like, we'll see you here. Just email us or call us when you're here. So I just got an email right now. They literally just opened like 12 minutes ago. So obviously at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna go in there. Well, no, I'm not gonna go in there just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and call them. I'm gonna let them know that I'm here and I'm here to pick up my downpipes, and I'm just ask them, do you guys install them? If they do, they'll go ahead and install them for me. And hey, man, I got some Ark Downpipes, but I want to go ahead and see the packet first though. So I'm gonna go ahead and call, let them know I'm here, and I'll keep you guys updated. It's dummy cold right now, man. I think it's like 50 degrees right now, like 49 when I was coming here. And they got a whole bunch of Ark Performance, obviously, things in there. People's orders they're backed up on. That's a lot of orders that they have. Ark Performance, look at that, man. Everybody here is Ark Performance fans. Shit, so can't wait to see it. So check it out right now. All right, so I just got back to LA, and I'm gonna show you guys, you know, I'm pretty much like an unboxing video. So let's go to the back. It's right there. Oh shoot, I forgot to put my drone away. But let's go, and I'm gonna get my little ass shitty ass little tool because it's the only thing I have. I didn't find a blade, but let's go back there. So oh, I forgot to take a thumbnail. Shit. But yeah, this is the ARK downpipes for the kiastingergt GT. Let me go ahead and take a quick thumbnail real quick because I need that. I look like a dumbass wearing this shit. I'll get back to you guys right now. Hold on, let me just take a quick thumbnail. All right, got that thumbnail. This guy's over here looking at me like I'm a dumbass. So let me go ahead and get this going. I gotta be very careful. I don't want to mess anything up. All right, so let's get to unboxing this, man. So I'm happy I got this. Yeah, I mean, I've talked to a lot of people, what do they recommend for downpipes, and my boy It's Crows has it. If you guys don't know who he is, it's Alex. He's the one with the fast ass all-wheel drive Stinger. You guys should know, man. You guys should know who he is by now. If you guys want to go ahead and follow him, his IG will be down in the description below, and check him out, man. Check out his dope ass Stinger. Also, shout out to my 3 sponsors, man. I forgot to mention them in the beginning of the video. So shout out to Drip Media, shout out to Navy's Customs, and shout out to TNL Decals. So why the hell can I not open this? Oh my god, yo, for real. Oh, it's on this side. I'm a fucking idiot. All right, well, this is what I have to work with. I'm gonna have to work with these tiny ass little shits. So let's see. Oh shit, it's actually cutting. Oh shit, man, this little shit is a goat, man, for real. Let's get this side. Shit, man,
man, what the hell? This shit actually really opened it. Oh, I'm excited. This is literally my first downpipe. Like, I'm telling you, like, this is my first car I'm ever gonna modify. Like, I'm happy, man. I'm really happy. I want to go ahead and you know, share the build with you guys. So start by opening it. Sadly, I couldn't find a blade. It's all good though. Let me go ahead and turn this around. Gotta be careful now. Gotta be careful. Let's continue with this side. I have to get this installed by today. I swear I have to get this installed by today. I cannot go another day without, I cannot make another video without installing anything I've been talking about. I swear, man. Ah, it didn't open on that side. That's stupid. Man, I can still reach from here. That's cool, man. There you go. Shit, dang, come on now. Woo, here they are. Downpipes. Shit. There they are, man. These are the Ark Downpipes. Ark. These are dummy light. See? So as you guys can see right there, see, it's either, I don't know if you guys can see it, G70 and then / Stinger, rear wheel drive. Obviously my car is a rear wheel drive. So these are it, man. These are it. That is crazy, man. I swear. I never thought I would own downpipes. But yeah. Oh shit, they even threw in some stickers in here too. Look at this. Man, shout out to Ark Performance. I swear, look at that. That go hard. I don't even know where I should put this. Should I put it on the car? I don't even know. I'll probably put it in my room. And then you got the other one, obviously. It's pretty much the same damn thing. You got the bolts right here. So the bolts, the guy over there at Ark Performance, he told me, he's like, literally, it's like literally so damn easy to install. I would do it, but I don't got no jacks. And yeah, I mean, it'll probably take me a good while because I've never done this ever in my life. So I mean, all I need is just pretty much instructions how to do it, or maybe go on YouTube. You know, YouTube got everything how to install shit, so I would have been able to do it. But like I said, I don't have jack stands. I don't even have anything to lift up the car. So I'm gonna go find a shop. I'm gonna hit up a couple of my friends, see what's up. Yeah, I want to get this installed by today, man. I mean, I've seen videos. Oh shit, I'm an idiot. I've seen videos where people install their downpipes in their Stinger, and it doesn't make a big difference in like exhaust note. Like it doesn't get louder. But I mean, it improves performance. Obviously, that's pretty much what it is. I believe Alex with the all-wheel drive Stinger, I believe he has the downpipes, the Ark downpipes, and he has a muffler delete on his, so that's why his sounds like that. I'm really debating if I should get a muffler delete. I don't know yet, so I gotta see. But overall, there you go, guys, man. Here are the Ark downpipes. I'm happy. I'm really happy. So got the JB4 in. Got my obviously got my spark plugs already installed. I didn't get to record that, but got my spark plugs installed, and now I got these. So shout out to Ark Performance once again, man. Ark Performance, man. Look at this shit. Light ass downpipes. I love them. I want to hear how they sound, but I'll give you guys a clip of the exhaust right now, how they sound. So let me go ahead and turn the car on. Most likely you guys are gonna be able to only hear the intakes a lot more, but let me put all the windows down. Don't mind the mess, man. There's a lot of stuff in here right now. It was just clean yesterday. So this is the exhaust. So you see, that's like, obviously that's a stock exhaust. It's not that loud. I mean, it's all right. Like when you start to drive away you could hear like the exhaust, obviously, like you could hear it a little bit, stock exhaust. But even when these, even with these Ark downpipes, it's not gonna make a, you know, like a big ass difference. It's not gonna be like, oh my god, that's loud now. No, it's not gonna be a big ass difference. There is gonna be a tone, a change, maybe a deeper tone. There is probably gonna be a way deeper tone, but not like something like how Alex with the all-wheel drive Stinger has, because obviously he has a muffler delete. But let me go ahead and try to find a shop, or try to find somebody who can change my the downpipes for me, or pretty much, you know, install them for me, because I'm happy, man. I want to get these installed by today. I really want to get these installed by today. So keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go ahead and make some calls, some texts, see what's up, see what shops. If I can't find anybody, then I might just have to go to a random shop and see how much they charge me. They better not be charging me no bullshit though. They better not be saying that, oh, I'm gonna charge you $300. Nah, you tripping, because these are so easy to install. But like I said, I know they're easy, but I don't have the jacks to do it myself, because I would have been doing it myself. But I don't have the jacks, I don't have the you know, obviously the shit to lift up the car. I don't have any of that. And either way, I like doing these types of things with my friends. So I'll probably hit up a couple of my friends, see what's up, they're down to do it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated right now, and let me see what I can do. All right, so after making a couple calls to like a whole bunch of other places, all of them were charging ridiculous prices. And I told my boy Drew about it. He's like, bro, that shit's so easy to do it. I know it's easy to do it, but the thing is, I don't want to do it by myself, you know. So I want to have another guy there with me. So my boy Drew was like, hey, come to my house and we'll do it right here. So I was like, all right. So he told me you just need to get some jack stands. So I went to AutoZone and I got some jack stands, and also I got the lift 2-ton jack stands right there. So we're about to install this baby right now, man. Ark downpipes for Stinger rear wheel drive, as you guys can see that right there. So I've seen some videos on YouTube on it, and it looks very simple. But like I told you guys, obviously I want to have somebody else there with me. Yeah, so all I gotta do is just wait for Drew to come, and we're gonna go ahead and install these shits. All right, now we got these dumbass pipes out. Well, not out yet. How you doing down there? I bet. We gotta, bro, this video's about to look dumb. All right, let's pull this shit out.
So pull your side.
Okay.
At the same time.
This right here?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, go.
One.
Ah! Hold on. Do it, and I'll pull it from. I'll pull this one. Ready? Go.
No, Dick, you're supposed to pull this. Shit, you're pulling a different one.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, that shit crushed my finger. Fuck. Come on, you dumb shit. All right. No.
Son of a bitch. Oh, you know what we can do? Do it again.
Okay.
1,
2, 3. You got it in there. Okay. Okay, now we need to put it on this side. Is there another thing? Or unless you want to pull it out from there. Pull it out from here. We got to get something in here at least. All right, I'm gonna stop recording. Shit. I'll pick this shit up right now. Let's go. Let's get these nasty, dirty ass pipes out of here.
Yeah.
Ew. Pull these shits out. Nasty shits. God damn. Ah! You hit my toe.
My bad.
I died. Look at these nasty ass pipes, man. Ugh. Look at that shit. Look. I know we're gonna use soap instead of getting WD-40.
This bitch on, bro. See how it sounds.
You want to turn it on?
Turn it on.
Hold on. Get the new pipes. Let's see how a comparison how these. They're way lighter. These are heavy.
Heavy as fuck. So keep them.
Yeah, no, hell yeah, I have to keep these. Look at these things compared. Look at this. How light this shit is compared to this shit right here, man. This shit's like the elephant in the end. God damn. Ooh. That's bad. You want to turn it on?
Turn on, not record. Or you want me?
Oh, you want to turn it on? But the thing is that push the brake and then start the shit.
I have a push to start too.
Oh yeah, that's true, huh? I thought you had a key. This shit about to sound nasty.
Oh, maybe you have a key.
Oh, I don't even know where I have them.
You don't have them on you?
Oh, it's right here. There. You're good. Ew. That shit sounds. That shit sounds nasty. That shit sounds nasty. That shit sounds gross. Huh? It sounds like a boat. Ew, that shit sounds nasty.
Hey,
all right.
If you want your cars to sound deeper, just take off.
Just take off the whole secondary pipes. That shit sounded bad. That shit was gross. All right, let's put these shits on because I was tired of looking at these nasty ass things. All right, finally we're done. Are my keys in here? Yeah. Let's see how this shit sounds. A little bit louder. A little bit. Yeah. Hold it from the back.
It sounds dope. It sounds like deep.
More like it's breathing more.
Yeah.
That shit sounds like. Yeah, it's way louder.
You can hear it?
Yeah, go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's clean. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, that's way better. I don't like these shits.
I gotta go back.
Go, bro, go. All right, so I'm gonna head out. I'll catch this shit on the road. Shit, well, I don't know where I'm gonna end this, to be honest.